what a baby. Oh my goodness. Kisses? Do I need kisses from you? Oh, yeah. You're such a little brat.
Look at that mess those girls have. Hi, Nina. Well, they have that long hallway to run.
You're like a deer.
She like runs like a deer. Look at her.
That's what you look like when you're running. All legs, no body. You're all body, no legs.
Poor thing. Baby, don't say that to her. That's not nice.
Right?
Oh,
So you're all legs, no body. You're all body, no legs. And you're just in between everything.
Stella, what are you doing? Stella. That dog makes me laugh. Stella, what do you see her eyes? Quit biting my ring, little girl. That dog eats everything. Oh, this morning I got out of the shower. You know what she was doing? I'm like, what are you chewing on? She had your slipper. She's still with that ball in her hand, in her face. Hi, baby. Oh my goodness, little Chubba. Oh my goodness. Oh. Hi, naughty puppy that was eating the table and slippers and everything else. Nina, what's the matter? What's the matter? Is your package? You guys are a mess. Nina, what's the matter, baby? Oh my goodness. So we got Luke the other day, and he came in a really nice, he came in a bag, but it was like really nice. It's what the place is called Pet Angel, and everything was really nice. So my husband had this made for me, which is a little paw print, his little paw print on there. So that's nice to have. And then he came in a little box, this little urn he got me with his name on top, and inside he's in a like a satiny little sash, and they did a really good job. I even got like a certificate of cremation and stuff like that. So I've been kind of sad today. After I came home from work, I just kind of slept the rest of the day because I've been tired from not sleeping and, you know, all these crazy hours that I've been having lately. So anyway, on a happier note, I got one of my Sephora hauls. I've been waiting for them to come in. They've taken forever, and I actually, the second order I placed actually has not come in, but the third one came in. So I don't know. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you because I don't want to do another haul on this when the VIB sale is already over. So I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so obviously I've been using this already. Okay, so I got this little guy right here. And inside it has, I don't know why I didn't just take this out, but it has this Brazilian Crush. And this is the body fragrance mist. So that's really nice for traveling. This whole little thing is like a travel friendly, by the way. And then it does have like a little bum cream in here. So you can see it does have the shower. I can't take it out with one hand, but it has a bum cream, the mist, and then it does have a little shower gel or body wash thing. But obviously I've been using it because it's not in the bag. So I also got this. This is Be Tight Lift and Firm Body Mask. This is for your butt. And it says Lift and Firm Booty Mask. So I'm really excited about this. It has really, really good reviews. It says it improves cellulite appearance. So I'm very excited. And I'm really, because when I first heard about it, I went looking for it and it was sold out everywhere. So I was able to find it and get it with my sale, with the little discount that we got. So I'm very happy about this. But I don't know when to use it because it says that it's gonna give you it's gonna heat up for 2 hours, and I don't know. I don't think I want to go to work with my booty on fire. So I did pick up 3 more of these Lock-It foundations. This is the powder foundations, and these are absolutely amazing. I've been using the heck out of the other ones that I have, so I had to go ahead and pick up more because I love them that much. And then I picked up, this is the Lip Sleeping Mask. I don't even know how to say that name, so I'm not even going to attempt it, but I love this. I wish I'd gotten the lip balm, I think, but this lip mask is amazing. I'm loving this. I cannot stop using this. I just carried it in my purse now. And then I got these 2 for my friends, my 2 makeup artist friends. They were asking me about it, and I told them I absolutely loved it. So I went ahead and picked these 2 up for them. I'm sure they'll love it because it keeps your freaking makeup on all day long. And if you have not tried it, you must try this because this stuff is amazing. And of course, I already stuck this in my bag. This is the Contour Wand by Charlotte Tilbury. Really am liking this. And I like the fact that it's easy to travel with. And it just, it's small and dainty, and love it. So I also picked up, this is the other one. Good Lord, I can't even see which way to put it. Okay, so this is a Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighter. Hi, girls. Oh my goodness, look at the girls. I gotta watch that little one. She'll eat something. But anyway, I really like this. So pretty. I will be doing some tutorials with it. And then I picked another one of these cheerleaders. I already did a video with one, and then I went ahead and picked up another one just because I have one for my kit, and then I want one for myself because going back and forth. But the thing is, I actually played with this and then left it. I forgot about it, so I'm like, oh crap. Let me get another one, and then that way I don't have to worry about transferring it back and forth. And hello, babies. Hi. Where's your other sister? So now I'm going to go ahead and show you. That little girl walked off with a shoe. Little girl, where'd she go? What are you doing? What did Mama say about eating the flip-flops? Mama told you to be a good girl and stop eating the flip-flops. And can I tell you that when I was filming the other day, I thought she was eating the wall because Nina ate the wall before when she was a puppy. Look what she did. Good thing that it looks distressed like the rest of the table. Yes, you were very naughty for eating Mama's table. Go on, go in there, little girl. Okay, back to what I was going to tell you before I got distracted with the little girl. Okay, so I've been trying out different products lately. Where the hell did I put it? I'm never prepared. I'm never, ever prepared. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these to the bathroom. I'm afraid to leave that little one by herself. Me, be a good girl. Okay, so I want to go ahead and show you this Burts Bees Renewal, whatever, refining cleanser. God, why can't I read today? I have issues. I need to go back to school or something. Anyway, okay, so I really been loving this a lot. Like, I'm obsessed with washing my face with this stuff. Like, I'll wash it off, and then I'll wash it again, and I'll wash it off, and I'll wash it again. And this has like little beads, so it says it removes dirt and oil and makeup, gently and naturally exfoliates, which is true, and improves skin texture. I'm like crazy about this. If you have not tried it, try it out because it's really good. And then I also picked up the Burt's Bees Purely White Fluoride Free Toothpaste, Zen Peppermint. Okay, so I don't have the whitest teeth. I'm working on it because I drink a lot of Diet Coke, as you know, and I love my coffee. So, but I have really sensitive teeth because I had like braces for like a ridiculous amount of years, so my teeth are really sensitive. So I picked this up and I love it. So what I was gonna say is I can't really go in with like teeth whitener stuff because it's just too much. Like those little crest strips, they kill my teeth. They hurt so bad. But anyway, so this has been helping with removing stain and stuff. So I've really been liking this. And then they have like different kinds. So I want to go ahead and buy the different ones. And then another thing that I picked up, I like to show you guys new things. I grabbed these because, you know, barrettes and all that girly stuff is really in. And I'm trying to do my hair. Like, I actually straightened it. It's a mess, you know, because I was taking a nap, but I straightened it and I'm going to try. It looks really thin. But anyway, I'm going to start trying to kind of do my hair. So I bought these barrettes, super cute. And I got these for like $4 on Amazon. So I'm really excited to play with those. Anyway, that's what I have so far.
Oh my goodness.